Hey there, folks. Today, we are diving into a topic that's got me thinking and scratching my head a little. It's all about this new invention, or should I say, reinvention, called the laundry chair. Now, I know what you're thinking, a chair for your laundry? But hear me out, because this concept is a lot more interesting than it initially seems. So, the laundry chair, a bold creation by YouTuber and inventor Simone Giertz, is basically a chair with a twist, or should I say, a swivel. It's designed to solve a very specific problem: how to keep your worn but not quite dirty clothes organized without sacrificing the functionality of your chair. And trust me, I can relate to that struggle. Now, here's the clever part. This chair has a rotating rail that acts like a lazy Susan. You can drape your clothes over it, and with a simple swivel, the rail moves to the back of the chair, leaving you with a perfectly usable seat. No more piles of clothes taking over your chair. It's like a magic trick, but for your laundry. But here's where it gets intriguing. This invention, as innovative as it is, isn't exactly new. I mean, I've got a similar setup in my room, and I bet many of you do too. So, why the big fuss now? Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Simone Giertz, the mastermind behind this, has a history of tackling unique problems. Remember her expanding fruit bowl? It was a hilarious and creative solution, but did the world really need it? I mean, it got people talking, and that's where the genius lies, right? And that brings us to the laundry chair. It's a clever idea, no doubt. But at $1,100, is it worth it? Personally, I think it's a bit steep for a chair, no matter how innovative. But then again, I could be wrong. Maybe there's a market for it. After all, who doesn't want a neat and tidy space without lifting a finger? Imagine the possibilities. A sink that hides the mess of unwashed dishes, a drawer that tames the chaos of chargers and batteries, or a fridge that deliquefies those old, half-eaten bags of bean sprouts. Yes, I know, specific, but we've all been there. But here's the thing, we don't need all these inventions. We could just, clean up after ourselves. But where's the fun in that? And besides, who am I to judge? I'm sitting here with a pile of clothes on the floor, eyeing that laundry chair with a bit of envy. So, what do you think? Is the laundry chair a genius invention or an overpriced gimmick? Let's discuss in the comments. And remember, keep those creative juices flowing, because you never know when your next big idea might just change the world, or at least your laundry situation. Until next time, stay curious, and keep that laundry in check. Closing shot, a playful animation of the laundry chair in action, with a catchy tune playing in the background.